Vclick configuration page. Blue means ready to receive call. Our web corporate directory. Extension injects this icon. Right click to reach the target, or click to initiate the call. Answer from the other side. Two-party call. Can move picture and resize. Text chat. File sharing. Whiteboard. Shared notepad. Screen sharing. Copy video to new. This URL can be sent in IM to other people. They will receive this video stream. Ability to see signaling data for debugging, testing. Incoming call. From a tablet device. This one. Now I'm in 2 calls. Drag one call participant to the other. Make that a 3-party call. Double click to expand a video. The video resizes based on the available space. Useful for landscape and portrait modes. Private chat. And meeting URL. Contact list is just a web page. Same click to call icon. Also ability to do text chat. Ability to do speech to text and text to speech. This is text to speech. Send now.